Certified 2015 Acura TLX base. $18,399. 26,576 miles. Finance, $347 EST/month. Contact seller. Tel, 888-528-8034. Ed Napleton Acura Kia. Basics. Fuel type, gasoline. Exterior color, crystal black pearl. Interior color, espresso. Stock, PD8599. Drivetrain, FWD. Transmission, 8-speed dual clutch. Engine, 2.4L, DOHC, 16V. VIN, 19UUB1F38FA019418. Mileage, 26,576. All features. ABS brakes, 7 speakers, 4-wheel disc brakes. Air conditioning. Alloy wheels. Alloy wheels. AM/FM radio, Sirius XM. Anti-whiplash front head restraints. Anti-lock brakes. Audio controls on steering wheel. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Automatic temperature control. Auxiliary input. Backup camera. Bluetooth. Brake assist. Brake assist. Bumpers, body color. CD player. Child safety locks. Compass. Delay off headlights. Driver door bin. Driver vanity mirror. Dual climate control. Dual front impact airbags. Dual front side impact airbags. Electronic stability control. Exterior parking camera rear. 4-wheel independent suspension. Front anti-roll bar. Front bucket seats. Front center armrest W/storage. Front dual zone A/C. Front reading lights. Garage door transmitter, home link. Heated door mirrors. Heated front seats. Heated front sports seats. Heated seats. Home link. HVAC memory. Illuminated entry. Keyless entry. Keyless start. Knee airbag. Leather seats. Leather shift knob. Leather steering wheel. Leather steering wheel trim. Leatherette seats. Low tire pressure warning. Memory mirrors. Memory seat. Memory seat. MP3 decoder. Navigation system. Occupant sensing airbag. Outside temperature display. Overhead airbag. Panic alarm. Passenger door bin. Passenger vanity mirror. Power door locks. Power door mirrors. Power driver seat. Power driver seat. Power moonroof. Power passenger seat. Power passenger seat. Power steering. Power windows. Power windows. Premium sound system. Radio data system. Radio, Acura Premium Audio System. Rear anti-roll bar. Rear seat center armrest. Rear window defroster. Remote keyless entry. Remote trunk release. Security system. Speed control. Speed sensing steering. Speed sensitive wipers. Split folding rear seat. Stability control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Tachometer. Telescoping steering wheel. Tilt steering wheel. Traction control. Traction control. Trip computer. Turn signal indicator mirrors. Variably intermittent wipers. Convenience. Home link. Keyless start. Navigation system. Entertainment. Bluetooth. Premium sound system. Safety. Backup camera. Brake assist. Stability control. Seating. Heated seats. Leather seats. Memory seat. Exterior. Alloy wheels. Sunroof/moonroof. Seller's notes. Certified. Crystal Black Pearl 2015 Acura TLX 2.4 LFWD 8-speed dual clutch 2.4 LDOHC 16V exterior parking camera rear, heated front seats, heated front sports seats, memory seat, power moonroof, radio, Acura premium audio system, remote keyless entry. For your peace of mind we have included over 20 plus photos, for you to judge the condition yourself. As you do your comparison shopping, you will see Napleton Acura Kia of Elmhurst, IL, offers some of the best values in the market. We will provide you a Carfax, comprehensive vehicle inspection, and a market report on how we arrived at the price. We may not be the lowest, but if you want to know who is, we will show you that too. Call 630-941-4300 or stop by Napleton Acura Kia on 745 West Lake St. Elmhurst, Illinois 60126. To schedule a test drive today. Serving the greater Chicago area. Out-of-town buyers free pickup at the airport. We can help arrange delivery right to your front door too. Odometer is 7,744 miles below market average. 3524th Highway/City MPG Acura certified pre-owned details, * vehicle history * transferable warranty * limited warranty, 12-month/12,000 mile, whichever comes first, after new car warranty expires or from certified purchase date * warranty deductible, $0 * includes trip interruption and concierge services * 182-point inspection * powertrain limited warranty, 84-month/100,000 mile, whichever comes first, from original in-service date * roadside assistance awards, * 2015 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus * 2015 KBB.com 10 Best Luxury Cars Under $35,000 * 2015 KBB.com Our 10 Favorite New for 2015 Cars. For more information, visit www.kbb.com. Kelley Blue Book is a registered trademark of Kelley Blue Book Co., Inc. * Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Reviews. The TLX is the definition of smart luxury. If you value the driving experience and appreciate Acura's cutting-edge technologies like four-wheel steering or super handling all-wheel drive over the prestige bestowed by having a European badge on your car's nose. Source: kbb.com * Quiet interior, good fuel economy ratings, sporty handling, particularly with all-wheel drive, plenty of features for the money. Source: Edmunds * Introducing the all-new 2015 Acura TLX. The TLX has been shaped and trimmed to reduce drag, lift, turbulence, and rolling resistance. Weight has been reduced by using lighter, tougher metals such as aluminum and ultra-high-strength steel. The 8-speed 2.4L engine with 206 HP with 182 lb-ft of torque has a dual-clutch transmission, making upshifts and downshifts swift and seamless. Also available is a 9-speed 3.5L V6 with 290 HP and 267 lb-ft of torque, featuring variable cylinder management which lets the engine transition to 3 cylinders at cruising speeds, enhancing fuel efficiency. Standard precision all-wheel steer delivers unprecedented handling and is the first system that enables the rear wheels to adjust toe angles independently. Super handling all-wheel drive is also available to direct engine power to match weight distribution. 10 stunning jewel eye LED headlights appear like gems in a jeweler's case and light up the night. The beauty continues inside with lit analog gauges and the on-demand multi-use display touchscreen which controls audio and climate functions. The audio system with a 15GB HDD media storage and 7 speakers allows functionality with multiple sources including USB, CD, Sirius XM, and Pandora. Also available is a 10-speaker premium system by L Studio. The Acura navigation system uses hard drive data for ultra-fast response on the 8-inch screen and can display menus, maps, and directions along with additional features such as Zagat restaurant reviews and real-time traffic. Acoustic noise dampening foam introduced into the unibody provides vault-like silence. Available safety features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warnings, and parking sensors. Source: the manufacturer summary. Napleton family owned and operated since 1931. We will treat you like